Comes with this portable fridge. I love it so much.
I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band, legacies.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. You know what, I'm not here to waste your time. I just want to show you guys the realest, the illest and the dopest accommodation right here in Newcastle. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. So come on, let's go. If you want to be in the heart of Newcastle and live your uni life to the fullest, then look no further than Roman House. Located just a few minutes walk from Newcastle University and Northumbria University, the train station and the city center. You can relax knowing that everything is on your doorstep. You will be spoiled for choice when choosing your room at Roman House. They have a variety of en-suite and studio rooms, as well as one-bedroom apartments. All are ultra-modern and stylish. You can use the on-site gym, cinema room, social and spaces are on hand to offer the best uni life possible. Their friendly accommodation team are always awesome when it comes to social events. All the rooms are modern and perfect for student living. I'll rest my comment, but I will leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video.
Time